On this video today, I'm going to show you how to copy and paste articles to earn $225 per day. So this is a very simple method that you can use to make money online. You don't need any skills to do this. You don't need any experience. I'm going to show you a free bot that will do all the work for you. So make sure you watch this video till the end so that you can get all the tips that you need to know. If you are new and you have never subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. Alright, the first step is that we are going to apply for a job before we can copy and paste articles to make money from home. So what you need to do is that you are going to come to this website, Talent Desire. As you can see here, talentdesire.com. So once you come to this website, what you need to do is that you have to apply for a blogging job so that you can copy and paste articles to make money on this website. So what you're going to do is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you can see this website. It has a lot of jobs that you can apply, but I'm going to show you the easiest one that you can do even if you have zero skills or zero experience. So let me scroll down for you to see. So when you come here, you can see many jobs here that you can apply. You can see online proofreading jobs, freelance blogging jobs, you can see language translation jobs, online paid surveys jobs, and many others. So what we are going to do is that we are going to apply for freelance blogging jobs. So we are going to open it so that you can get more details about the job. So you just come here, click on more. Once you click on more, you can see the job description, everything that you need to know. So as you can see, the nature of the job, so you are going to read all the details so that you get to know more about it. These are the pay rates. So if you're a beginner, you can earn up to $25 per one blog post. If you are an intermediate, you can earn up to $35 per blog post. Professional, you can earn up to $55 per article that you generate. For experts, you can earn up to $75 per blog post, and you can see you can write as many articles that you want. I will show you a free bot that you can use to even generate up to 5 articles per day. So when you come here, you can see these are the rates. So if you are able to write 3 blog posts as a beginner per day, you are going to earn $75. If you are able to write 3 blog posts as an intermediate, you are going to earn $105 per day. If you are a professional and you are able to write 3 articles per day, you are going to earn $165. If you are an expert and write up to 3 posts per day, you are going to earn $225 per day. So this is very easy. As you can see right here, the minimum amount that you can earn per month is $1,500. So this is huge. So if you are able to follow these steps that I'm going to show you, you can make passive income from home. So as you can see, in your leisure time, you can write articles and then post onto a blog that they are going to give you, and you'll be earning money on this website. Just as simple as that. One good thing I like about this website is that if you are a beginner and you don't know how to start, they can take you through a demonstration work so that you will learn how you can work on this particular website. As you can see here, you just click on demo work and they are going to take you through a tutorial. Another thing that I like about the website is that they have a lot of payment methods. So wherever you are in the world, you can receive payments on this website when you complete a job. So it's just simple as that. So what you need to do is that you have to just click on apply, but make sure you follow me step by step because the application form is very tricky. If you are new, you might not know how to do it. So make sure you follow me till I show you everything. So what you need to do is that you are going to click on apply now. Once you click on apply now, you are going to scroll down. As you can see, what you need to do is that you are going to click on select an application form. So you click on that. Once you click on that, the next thing is that you are going to scroll down. As you scroll down, you are going to select online application form. So you click on that. Once you click on online application form, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to click here, fill in your details to apply and work with us. So you click on that. Once you click on that, the next thing is that you are now going to begin filling your details. As you can see, the first thing is that you are going to accept the privacy policy of this website. So you are going to just check this box. Once you accept the privacy policy, the next thing is that you are going to enter your personal information. So you are going to enter your first name, your last name, email address, your phone number, and you are going to select your country. So when you come here, you can see it's available worldwide. As you can see, many countries here from A to Z. You can see the countries. As I scroll, you can see many countries. As I am scrolling upwards, you can see many countries. So wherever you are in the world, you can apply and get employed on this particular website. So as you can see, once you select your country, the next thing is that you are going to enter your zip code. Once you enter the zip code, you are going to enter your professional information. Here you are going to enter your preferred job title. So what you need to do is that you are going to write freelance blogging. The next thing is that you are going to select your time zone that is best for you. The next thing is that you are going to select the best way to receive your earning. So here you can see PayPal. They also have a lot of payment methods that you can use to receive your earning. You can see PayPal, Payoneer, wire transfer, direct deposit, Skrill. So it depends on the method that is convenient to you. What I like is the Payoneer. That is more convenient to me because PayPal, some of the countries is blacklisted, but Payoneer is available worldwide. Wire transfer is also available worldwide. You can select direct deposit. Just select the one that is good for you. Once you select that, the next thing is that you are going to select your current profession status. So you can select any of these, but my recommendation is that don't select unemployed. If you select that, they might not offer you the job. So once you select that, you are going to come here and then select yes, I've read and accept the above statement. Once that is done, you are going to enter your signature here. After that, you are going to click on I'm not a robot. Once that is done, you are going to submit your application and you are going to be employed so that you can start working. So now once you are accepted, the next thing is that you are now going to start the writing process. So you don't need to write this yourself. There are some of you who are busy doing other things. So I'm going to show you a free software that can do all the writing for you, and then you are going to be earning money anytime you submit an article. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come to this website. This is an AI writer and it's going to write a good article for you. So you are going to get a good article if you use this particular website. So they have a paid version, but what you are going to do is that you are going to sign up for an account for free so that you can use that to generate articles. Once you start making money, you can sign up for the paid version. So what you are going to do is that you're going to click on start writing so that you can write an article. So as you can see, I've already used this particular website to generate articles before, as you can see here. So once you log into your account, you're going to see a page like this, and what you need to do is that you are going to come right here, select the language that you want to write. So if you are supposed to write your article in English, you are going to select English. If you are writing it in Arabic, you are going to select that, and other languages. Once that is done, you are also going to select your tone. So this is convincing. You can select other ones, appreciative, assertive, and then many others. Once that is done, you are going to select what you are writing about. So in this case, you are going to select blog idea and outline. So you want to write a blog post, so you just select that. Once you select that, the next thing is that you are going to type your title here. You can also come here, number of variations. So you can select the number of variations that you want. You can select 1, 2, or 3. Once that is that, you can see creativity level. You can also select that. So you can select high, medium, low, and then the rest. So what we are going to do is that I'm going to just type an article idea here so that it can generate for you to see. So here we are going to type something like how to write a good blog post. This is just some keyword that I'm going to use. How to write a good blog post. So just like that. So once that is done, you are going to click on write for me. So in this case, this is just a demonstration. So I don't know the kind of blog post that you are required to write. So you have to get the job first before you know the type of article that you are supposed to write. Once you have your keywords, you are going to come here, write for me. So you just click on that and it's going to generate an article here. So as you can see, it is writing right now. As you can see, it has finished writing. You can see the article outline here. So let me scroll upwards for you to see. You can see the steps that you have to follow to write a very good blog post. So as you scroll, you can see the steps in here. So right now we have 5. You can see 5 steps. So what you are going to do is that you are going to now develop this point, and this particular website can develop the points for you. So what you need to do is that you are just going to come here and then highlight what you are going to develop. So once you highlight it, you are going to just come here and then click on paragraph so that it will write a paragraph for you. So once you click on it, paragraph, it is going to generate a paragraph for you. So once you click on paragraph, you can see that it has written the introduction. So what you usually need to do is that you have to delete the keywords right here. So the next thing is that you are also going to develop this particular point. So once you highlight it, just click on paragraph and it's going to develop a paragraph for you. Alright, as you can see, it has developed this particular point. So as you can see, brainstorming is the process of generating and developing ideas, usually to generate new ideas. Brainstorming can be done in a group or on your own. So as you can see, so you are going to do this for the rest of these steps. Once that is done, you are going to copy your article and then submit it to your employer so that you can earn money for free. So you just need to highlight it and then copy your article. So once you highlight it, you can copy your article. So as you can see, the process is easy. So what I recommend is that you have to apply for this job as fast as possible so that you can take advantage of this simple method to make money from home. You don't need to pay for anything. You don't need to have any skills. You don't need any experience. You can use an AI tool like this to make money from home. I have a lot of methods that you can use to make money from home as a complete beginner without investing any money. So if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.